very sad for me because when she was passed away, I couldn't go back home because I was pregnant then, 7 months, and that pregnancy was quite difficult because I was bleeding, and my heart really longing to go back, but my doctor says I couldn't. So it was very painful, and I know God that He knows how I miss her so much. He knows that I really long for her.
Tell us about your vision.
So today I'm very happy because God showed me His vision that she's in heaven, rejoicing together, and God assured me that she's saved. She's saved in heaven. She's rejoicing with the Lord.
Praise, amen.